Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of LWC Stack. So guys, in today's video, I'll explain how you can display different kind of toast message into your Lightning Web component. Okay. So guys, I will create a custom component in which I will be having 4 buttons because we are having 4 kind of toast messages, which are error, warning, success, and information. So we'll be having 4 kind of total toast messages into those 4 buttons click. Okay. So let's start with the JavaScript part first. Okay, so I will create a component now. Okay, create Lightning Web component and let's name it show toast events. Okay, let's keep it in the default directory. Alright, let's copy the XML part first. Okay, now for the HTML part, let's have the base of it from a component. Let's take it like this. Okay, we have to close all the tabs here. All right, let's change our title. Okay, so as per this example, we'll be having 4 buttons here. Okay, so let's create 4 lightning buttons. Okay, let's have label of error, and we'll be having 4 on click, so let's name it show error. Okay, let's have warning. Next is success. And at the end we will be having info. So these are 4 buttons, and let's go to the JavaScript part now. So guys, in JavaScript part we have to first import the toast message here. So let's import it. Show toast event, and we will import it from the library Lightning it was platform show toast event. Okay, let's build the function now. Now we will create a new toast event. Okay guys, so our the class name and the importer name can't be same, so but it is event and it is event, so I think we can use it. So let's implement show toast event. Okay, not events. All right, So in toast event we will have title. Let's make it Salesforce toast. We will have message. Okay, and at the end, which is very important, we'll be having variant. So for this error one, the variant will be error. Okay, and at the end, we will dispatch this event. Sorry, put the semicolon here. Okay, let's copy and paste it. So next was warning. After that we were having success. And at the end we will have info. Okay, looks good to me. Let's deploy it. Okay, it is deployed now, and guys, let's create a new tab for that. So to create a new tab, you just have to go to App Manager, edit your application, new page, application page, and let's name it LWC Toast. Okay, and let's keep the this layout. Okay, all right. Here's show toast event. Let's add it on the top. So we are having 4 buttons here. Let's save it and activate it. So we will activate it for this specific app only. So you have to go to app and add page to app. Okay, here it is. Let me just drag it to the end. Okay, it is done. Let's go back and test it. So this is LWC Toast. Okay, but we are not getting the toast message. Okay guys, so I have figured it out. So it was a simple case sensitivity issue. So this show toast event needs to be, the S should be capital here. So this was the only issue in our code, and as they said, like in JavaScript you cannot expect anything. So let's change the name now. In JavaScript guys, I personally prefer to copy the code from a previously working code, because you don't know like where you could have a case sensitive issue or some other mistake. So it's always good to have a previously working code with you whenever you are working on JavaScript. Okay, so let's deploy it, and hopefully for the last time. Let's refresh it. And finally we are having the toast message here. So this was the error message, warning message, success message, and info. Oh, no info. So info is still not working. I think we are having some other issues here. Alright, so in info it is not in single quotes. Let me deploy it again. Alright, so it is deployed and info is also working, guys. So guys, that's how you can display different kind of toast message into your Lightning Web component. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.